Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and your device so the wallpaper workflow is fast. Open TikTok, update if needed, and grant storage and live wallpaper permissions. This prevents interruptions. Next, pick a video that has a stable central subject or a distinct loop. This makes conversion smoother. Once you have that video, save it locally or add it to favorites so you can access it quickly. Now move to the conversion tools. Don't skip permission checks, because they block setting wallpapers later. Now convert and edit the clip to fit your home or lock screen. If TikTok offers set as wallpaper, use it for a quick path. Otherwise, export the video and open a converter or wallpaper app. Trim to the desired loop length, pick a seamless loop point, and crop to your phone's aspect ratio, 16:9 or portrait as appropriate. Adjust resolution to about 1080p so it looks sharp but remains small enough to save battery. Once edited, preview the loop for smoothness before exporting. Finish by applying the wallpaper and validating behavior. Use your phone's wallpaper settings or the Converter app's Apply button to set it for home, lock, or both. Make sure you pick the correct screen. Once set, watch playback for a few minutes to confirm the loop and check battery usage. If it doesn't appear or won't play, recheck permissions, confirm the file is a supported MP4 or GIF, and try a different converter app. Often reinstalling the wallpaper app or rebooting the phone resolves permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.